Hello, good afternoon, student. Today we will study chemical coordination. Now you understand already the chapter control and coordinations in next point and subunit chemical coordinations. The cells and organisms communicate with each other through chemical signal. Through the chemical signal. On also there are broadly of four types as follows. First, autocrine cells release secretion to stimulates itself. Now see, the autocrines cells release secretion to stimulate itself. स्वतःला ॲक्टिव्ह करतो, स्टिम्युलेट करतो. अँड देन सेकंड, पॅनक्रियाटिक सेल्स. पॅनक्रिया सेल्स release secretion to stimulate neck boring cells. And third one, endocrine. The endocrine cells release secretion to stimulate distant cells. And last one, pheromones. Organs release secretion to the stimulate other organisms. Higher animals have a complex body organizations. Due to this, in addition to the nervous coordinations, there is need of chemical coordinations. Chemical coordination is carried out by secretion of ductless glands. This chemical coordination system is also called the endocrine system. System is also called the endocrine system. Now see, listen. The endocrine systems control body activity by means of chemical messengers called hormones. All systems, the control systems and systems organs in human body to the chemical signals and as per the messengers of chemicals or hormones. Hormones are released directly into the blood. Direct release into the blood. There the hormones is carried all over the body via blood. However, the message is relay only to the target organs. Only to the target organs, which are stimulated to carry out specific process which include activities like growth and development. Just like a growth and development. Now the explanation of endocrine system. Endocrine, there are two types of glands, endocrine glands and exocrine glands. Exocrine glands is release the enzymes and endocrine glands the release direct the hormones in blood stream. एंडोक्राइन्स जे ग्लँड्स आहे, फॉर एक्झाम्पल टेस्टीज आहे, ओव्हरीज आहे, पिनियल ग्लँड्स आहेत, पिट्युटरी ग्लँड्स आहे, पॅराथोराइड्स ग्लँड्स आहे, हायपोथायसिस ग्लँड्स आहे, पेनियल ग्लँड्स आहे आणि ॲड्रिनल ग्लँड आहे जे किडनीच्या वरचा शेप आहे, जस्ट लाईक ए कॅप. ओके. The master of glands in human body, pituitary gland, is also called as master gland. And the pituitary glands, the control and coordinations of all cells, glands and systems organs. Okay. एंडोक्राइन ग्लँड्स मधून हार्मोन्स रिलीज होतात. ते डायरेक्ट ब्लड मध्ये राहतात, ॲज इट इज पोझिशन मध्ये राहतात. आणि त्यांच्या जे टार्गेट ऑर्गन आहे तिथं जाऊन ते त्यांचा फंक्शन्स करतो, स्वतःला स्टिम्युलेट करतो आणि तिथं जाऊन त्याचा स्वतःचा फंक्शन्स दाखवतो. नाव दी 4 एक्झाम्पल्स ऑफ ह्युमन बिंग. टेस्टिस is a secretion of testosterone hormone. These hormones activate after the adolescence period in human beings 40 to 16 year age. The target organs direct hormones release testes is testosterone. आणि मग त्याचा फंक्शन्स येतो की जे ह्युमन बिंग्स मेल्स आहे त्याला सेकंडरी कॅरेक्टर्स, सेक्सुअल कॅरेक्टर्स डेव्हलप होतात. त्याला दाढी नसेल तर त्याच्या फेसवर केसेस येतात, त्याला मुछ्या यायला लागतात, त्याच्या आवाजामध्ये बदलाव होतो, त्याच्या अंडरस्टँडिंगमध्ये चेंजेस होतात, त्याच्या सोशल बिहेवियर चेंज होता, त्याची थिंकिंग क्युरिओसिटी चेंज होती, त्याचा जे ऑपोजिट सेक्स डायरेक्शन इन्क्रीज होतो. Now just like a second another example of females. Female is the ovary endocrine glands. For example, ovaries. The ovaries is release hormone progesterone, and these hormones direct release in blood V, and the functions and activations of the target organs. Just like the female after 13-year age, automatically the increase of mammary glands, and some 16 year after 16-year age, this is a sexual characteristics secondary automatically develops the change of facial expression, the change of mood, the change of social behavior, and opposite sex attachment and partnership is increasing in life, both the just like a couple life. Okay, and the mammary glands develop, and the MC, the menstrual cycle, is also activated after 16-year age. Now see the chemical nature of hormones. First, amines. These are simple amines, catecholamines, secreted by adrenal medulla, afferine and non-afferine, and melatonin from pineal gland. Some are modified the amino acids, example thyroxine. Now listen the pineal glands. The pineal glands inside the medulla oblongata and posterior side of pituitary glands. These glands the control of biological clocks. The biological clocks 24/7 hours. Okay, now the sleeping time and dinner times, lunch times, and after whatever may be life process. Okay, it's clear. Now second, peptide hormones. These hormones consist of long or short chain of amines acids and amines acids are example hormones of hypothalamus, oxytocin, ADH and GnRH. This is now the name of hormones. Protein hormones, for example, insulin, glucagon, TSH, FSH, LTH and GH relaxation. GH, now the example formula of growth hormone, and TH and LTH luteinizing hormones And fat. Now the fourth one, fatty acids. Derivatives, prostaglandin, and fifth, steroid hormones. These hormones are lipid soluble and derived from cholesterol and other steroid. Example, estrogen, testosterone, aldosterone. Action of these hormones is concerned with long lasting response. हे हार्मोन्स जे आहे लॉंग टाइम्स ॲज इट इज पोझिशनमध्ये राहते अँड त्यांच्या जे टार्गेट ऑर्गन आहे तिथं जाऊन ॲटोमॅटिकली फंक्शन्स करतात. दी फॉर एक्झाम्पल इस्ट्रोजन, testosterone, aldosterone, action of these hormones. And 6, gas, no nitric oxide. Okay, it's clear. The properties of hormones. They act as a chemical messenger. They act as a chemical messenger and are effective in very low concentration. And the effective of very low concentrations. Okay, hormones can function as a regulator that inhibit or stimulate or modify a specific process. Some hormones interact with receptor presents plasma membrane of target cells. Presents plasma membrane of target cells, whereas some enter the nucleus to interact with genes, hypersecretion or hyposecretion. Now the difference between hypersecretion or hyposecretion of hormones leads to various disorders. हार्मोन्स त्याची मात्रामध्येच तर ते रिलीज होत असेल तर इट इज अ गुड, बट हायपर सेक्रेशन इट इज अ व्हेरी डेंजरस डिसऑर्डर्स. सम एक्झाम्पल, थायरॉइड्स ग्लँड्स. नाव दी थायरॉइड्स ग्लँड्स, हायपर सेक्रेशन ऑफ थायरॉइड हार्मोन्स, दिस इज अ थायरॉइड डिसीज डेव्हलप अँड इट इज व्हेरी डेंजरस डिसीज. दी लॉस ऑफ पेप्टाइड अँड जे लॉस होतात त्याच्याने, तर ते कोणते लॉस आहे, जे मूडमध्ये चेंजेस होतात, त्यांच्या बिहेवियरमध्ये चेंज होतात आणि जी ॲबिलिटी आहे, जे भूक लागण्याची, ते नष्ट होऊन जाते. ओके, इट्स क्लिअर. नाउ दीज आर मेटाबोलाइज्ड आफ्टर देअर फंक्शन, thus cannot be reused. Hormone secretion is regulated by positive or negative feedback mechanisms. हार्मोन्सचे पॉझिटिव्ह फीडबॅक सुद्धा आहे, निगेटिव्ह फीडबॅक सुद्धा आहे. नाउ दी एक्झाम्पल ऑफ पॉझिटिव्ह अँड निगेटिव्ह फीडबॅक. दी पेनियल ग्लँड्स, पॉझिटिव्ह फीडबॅक. नाउ लिसन, पेनियल ग्लँड्स, properly secretion of pineal hormones, the biological clock of human life is activated, and now the complete life cycle, day to night and 24 into 7 into 24 hours into 7 days per week per year and birth to death, the life process continuously cycle. Okay, it's clear. And the another functions of these pineal hormones, negative feedback. These hormones excess amount of release, the pineal hormones, the cardiological, vascular and circulation, the heart disease and the blockage of chamber in heart and blockage of valves in heart. The suggestion of medical officer and cardiologist. There are two types of walk: morning walk